Okay, I had Jim back here today for another 5 hours. I went ahead and used the air chisel to get all this rusty metal off here. It was these spot welds. So we got all those ground down and ground off there. We cut this here and did it over here on this side too. Got that looking real nice. So we're fabricating some new pieces. We're going to spot weld those on. And we're cleaning all this up, getting ready for a patch over here. He did a lot more cutting today. It looks kind of the same, but he did a lot. So we're getting ready to start welding when he comes back next week. And he's got all these inner rocker panels ready to go. And as soon as we get those on there, we'll start putting the outer ones on. This whole bracket, we're just going to use this end part. We're not going to use the whole thing. I think that goes over here. Like that. So, and then this one here, we're just going to use that end part too and save the rest. Pretty good metal there in the middle, so we're not going to replace what doesn't need to be replaced. He brought by an empty bottle. I'm going to get that filled up with some C25 gas. And we're going to use my new titanium welder next week. So we're getting everything ready for the welding. Alright, he left me with these panels, these inner rocker panels. I'm drilling holes for spot welds here. I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up a drill press because there's quite a lot of these to do. And I think I've been wanting one. I think I'll get some more use out of it anyway. So we've got a couple more that I've already done. These are those pieces that are going up near the hood, near the windshield. So we fabricated a bunch of those. And I've got the holes drilled. I think I'm going to put bigger holes in them. We're going to put holes all along here. And yeah, got my work cut out for me, so I'll get to going on this drilling.